We're going to do this today. I mean, we had your picture up there and everything.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Paul can get it.
We can see you now. So as I said earlier, so Aiden is now the co-regional officer of the YOU, and yay. And we're so proud of you for stepping into this leadership position, and Heidi has a gift for you. Some prayer beads. So many of us may have memories of Aiden in his little baby chair on, on the counter down in the kitchen. And sorry, anyway, you've grown into this. So my kids say, Mom, shut up, okay. So Aiden, we would like to take a moment to bless you. And we are so grateful for this leadership position that you have stepped into. And we know that you are divinely guided, that Spirit opens the doors before you. And you are brilliant. You are loved, and we appreciate you so much. So together, let us say, Aiden, we love you, we bless you, we appreciate you, and we behold the Christ light that you are. Would you like to bless us now?
Is it on? Yeah. Seattle Unity. I love you, I bless you, and I truly appreciate you, and I behold the Christ light in all of you, every one of you. Thank you.
Okay, so now let us stand and join hands across the aisle for